First, turn on the power. Then, switch to manual mode. Discharge the material. Make sure to empty the weighing hopper. Press the calibration button once. Then, enter the password, 6/8. Press the Enter button. Select the decimal point as 0.00. Set the division value to 0.01. Press the Enter button. Set the maximum capacity to 60 kg. Press the Enter button. Now, the screen displays the sensor output value. Press the Enter button. When you see this screen, place the standard calibration weights on. Waiting for the weights to stabilize. Then press Enter. Input the weight of the standard weights we placed. Then press the Enter key. When the screen goes black, press the Exit key. Then remove the weights. This completes the calibration process.